Alright guys, so far all my filming has been on either the iPhone, my Google Pixel, or my GoPro. Just recently I got the DJI Pocket 2, so I've started filming a little bit with that, which is nice. It's a small little gimbal camera, which is great. However, it's not all that I wanted to be for a camera for filmmaking, because it is a very limited field of view. It's got a fixed lens. It's great for vlogging, holding out at arm's length and shooting and turn around and filming, but for interchangeable lenses, I just wanted something else. I used to have a DSLR once I switched over to digital from traditional 35mm, but now I'm getting into video. I wanted something that kind of took me back to some of the functionality and some of the capability of DSLR style of cameras. And so I did a lot of research. I looked around, looked at all the different things, and based on what I need and what would work best for me and my family, I wanted something that was portable, that was easy to carry around, because between the GoPro, the Pocket 2, whichever camera I carry around, and stuff for the family, I don't want to be weighted down with a big bulky thing. And also, the budget's always a consideration. So fortunately, Sony just released, this past year, a new mirrorless camera that is made specifically for vlogging. And of course, it is the ZV-E10. There have been a lot of reviews already on YouTube about this, so I'm not really going to go into reviewing the camera yet. This is really just an unboxing video to show you how it comes packaged and what you get with it. So right now on Amazon, as of September 8th, 2021, it was, for the kit lens and the body, $800 on Amazon US. Of course, currently I'm stationed in Europe, so Amazon wouldn't ship me the camera, so I had to look at Amazon France. Like I said, $7.99 US. It was €8.49 on Amazon France. So it ends up being, when you do the conversion, as of the time I purchased this 2 days ago, $1,006 US dollars equivalent. So a couple $100 significantly more expensive. So I got it today, got it in, pretty excited. I just got the kit lens for now, so let's look at it and see what comes in the box. Of course, the Sony Alpha. A lot of people have complained so far about this camera because it's still using the older sensor, same one they have in a lot of their older cameras. But you know what? And I've seen the reviews where they talk about the rolling shutter and situations like that. And then when you look at the video of the rolling shutter, it's people waving the camera back and forth. I'm like, I'm not going to be waving the camera back and forth like that, That's it's not what I'm going to do. So the fact it doesn't have IBIS, well, you know what? $1,000 US, I don't expect to have IBIS. I'm probably not even going to use the digital stabilization, honestly. I'm probably going to eventually, get a gimbal, a small gimbal. The nice thing about buying it here in Europe is I get a plug that I can use for the next 2 years, and then just order a different plug later on. So this is good for like all of Europe. They give you both plugs. They cover you pretty much in all European countries, EU countries. So that's great. Okay, we got the dead cat, or the wind muff for the microphone, the built-in microphone. This connects to the hot shoe, as many of you have seen in the videos already. Got a USB to USB-C. One lithium battery, the brick for the power cord, kind of a mini brick with the USB on the other end, strap, and of course the real thing, camera itself, which is nice. It has a nice little lens cover here. So you know, this kit lens is 16 to 50, 3.5 to 5.6. You know, what I like is it is small, it's light. You know, it's got that flip out to the side screen. I mean, you guys can see plenty of reviews on this camera for the technical capabilities. I got it to have something a little better than, you know, a GoPro, which is what I've been using. Something a little better and more versatile than the Pocket 2, a DJI, which is a little mini gimbal camera. But you know, this has the interchangeable lenses. You know, I don't want this. Put something else on. You know, I want to zoom. You know, a prime lens. So that's great with this, and the fact that I can hook it up and just use it as a web camera. So that's pretty much what you get in the box. Of course, you got the owner's manual and everything here for paperwork. But you know, so the next trip we take, I'll be taking this camera, and we'll see what kind of, you know, video I can get out of it. So thanks for watching.